Hi guys, this is Avarnan from YouTube. Today I told you that the Vijayanagar Empire period fort. It's one of the fort in the Vijayanagar Empire. The fort is built by the Raja because he's the one of the warrior um, warrior head of in the Vijayanagar Empire. In the Bijapur Sultan and Vijayanagar Empire, Vijayanagar Empire between the war. The Vijay Rayers of the Jagadeva Rayar strongly defeated the Vijaypur Sultans. That's why the Vijayanagar Empire given to the place of Paramangal place to the Rayas to rule this place. They give the country as a country, small country. It's what is in the country that means Krishnagiri, Dharmaburi, Salem districts also one of the place, and some parts of the Karnataka place is also surrounded in the Paramangal place. The Jagadaya Iris native is Andhra. Now they come to this place and build a new country and they strengthen and save this country of Paramangal. He built that the along with this he take the his villagers and his natives to taken to this place of the Paramangal and build the fort of Rayagata. Around surrounded he built the 12 fort also, and that's why they named it Paramangal country. Paramangal. The we can see 12 forts in the place of Rayakota. It's all the 12 forts. It's a 8 fort. It's a 8 fort. Rayakota is a 8 fort. Rayagota fort is the 8 fort to the 12 forts. We can see the 12 forts from here, not fully see, but the 6 fort we can see it from this place. And we can see the Krishnagiri KRP Dam water reservoir also, and also some of the things. After the Jagadaya Rayar is 16th century, the Vadiyar kings also captured the controlled by this place. Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan also ruled this place, used this place also. In 1791, and the Tipu Sultan Anglo-Mysore War, the Tipu Sultan and Hyder Ali was defeated in the place. So the Treaty of Tiruvangadur, the place is taken out by the Gaudi. The major Gaudis take out this place and won this place and all the 12 fort also. The fort is in 1791, the Treaty of Tiruvangadur. The places and the surroundings are also annexed to the British, annexed to the Madras presidency of the British, the Major Gaudi. In the time Major Gaudi maybe lived in the place also, in the fort. In 1860, 71, 61 or 71, I did not know the exact date. In the time the British also used this place also. After that they lived in this place and used the another place. It is now it's one of the monuments to our Archaeology Survey of India. It's a cut of 2.5 kilometers around. It's a width I think 2.5 kilometers from here. I show you the Krishnagiri KRB Dam from this place too. See that.